Consider these two rational numbers. Can you tell which number is greater? It's hard to determine which number is greater than the other because their denominators are not the same. So, to make them equal, we'll first take their least common multiple, known as the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 8 is 24, so we can rewrite the rational numbers as shown. Now, we just compare the numerators of these two fractions. The fraction with the larger numerator is greater than the other fraction. If one rational number is positive and the other negative, the positive rational number will always be greater than the negative rational number. So what about this case, when both the fractions being compared are negative? Since the denominators are not equal, we will first take their LCM and express the fractions as follows. Now, we'll simply compare their numerators. With negative numbers, remember that the larger the digit, the smaller the negative number. So, the fraction minus 3 over 4 is greater than the fraction minus 4 over 3. A simpler way of comparing rational numbers is by using a number line. For instance, minus 3 over 4 is placed on the number line between minus 1 and 0. Since the numerator is less than the denominator, minus 4 over 3 is first converted into a mixed fraction, minus 1 whole 1 over 3, since the numerator is greater than the denominator, and is placed between minus 2 and minus 1. Since minus 4 over 3 is to the left of minus 3 over 4, it's the smaller number. How do we compare multiple rational numbers such as the ones shown here? Since they all have different denominators, we will first take the LCM of 3, 4, and 6, which comes out to be 12. The three rational numbers are then expressed as shown. Now, we can compare the numbers by arranging them in two different ways: ascending order and descending order. Numbers in ascending order are arranged from the smallest number to the largest number, while numbers in descending order are arranged from the largest number to the smallest number. So, in ascending order, we will first find the smallest fraction out of these three, which is 3 over 12. The second largest fraction is 8 over 12, and the largest is 10 over 12. The original fractions are then written in this form. In descending order, we will first find the largest fraction, which is 10 over 12. The second largest fraction is 8 over 12, and the smallest is 3 over 12. The original fractions are then written in this form. Now, arrange these rational numbers in ascending and descending orders respectively. Take a minute to discuss with your friends. Before arranging these rational numbers, we must first take the LCM of 5, 2, 6, and 3 as shown. Next, we will express them as fractions with the denominator 30. Since all the rational numbers have the same denominator, we can now rearrange them. To sort them in ascending order, we write the smallest fraction first, which is minus 45 over 30. Followed by minus 12 over 30, 10 over 30, and finally 25 over 30. These are then simplified to their original form as shown. To sort them in descending order, we write the largest fraction first, which is 25 over 30, followed by 10 over 30, minus 12 over 30, and finally minus 45 over 30. These are then simplified to their original form as follows. In summary, we compare rational numbers by their numerators given that their denominators are the same. For unlike denominators, This can be achieved by taking their LCM. The number line allows us to compare two rational numbers easily. The number on the left side of another on the number line is always smaller. Rational numbers can be arranged in ascending and descending orders, respectively.